Hey y'all, welcome back to the Math Bench. This week we'll keep working on Module 2, Addition and Subtraction of Length Units. Students will practice measuring with tools, estimating, comparing different units, and using addition and subtraction in word problems. Let's see what's ahead for each day this upcoming week. On Monday, September 8th, we will be doing Lesson 4, Measure with Centimeter Rulers and Meter Sticks. On the students' practice, they will be doing facts to build fluency with sums and differences within 20. In the overall lesson, they'll measure objects using the centimeter rulers from Lesson 3 that they made, as well as meter sticks and tape measures. The problem set has students recording measurements, noticing how rulers and meter sticks give the same length but in different size numbers. This shows why different tools can be more or less efficient depending on the object that they are measuring. On Tuesday, September 9th, Lesson 5 will be Estimating with Mental Benchmarks. This lesson focuses on estimation strategies. Students learn how to use mental benchmarks, like knowing if a paper clip is about 3 centimeters or a desk being close to 1 meter, to guess before they measure. The problem sets that they will encounter will ask them their estimates, then measure with the ruler to check. The sprints that they might encounter here are going to be skipped, but the debrief towards the end of the lesson has students compare estimates and discuss why two people might have a reasonable but different answer. This helps connect real-world reasoning with the exact math that they are doing within their curriculum. On Wednesday, September 10th, Lesson 6 will be about comparing lengths with centimeters and meters. Right away, their sprint is going to be on finding the longer length. This is by identifying which number is larger, and students will quickly circle which of the two lengths is greater than each other. The problem set will then ask them to measure line segments in centimeters and meters and complete the comparison sentences. An example of this sentence will be, line A is 5 centimeters longer than line B. In the concept development, students will compare the objects like sides of a paper or classroom furniture, explaining strategies such as lining up objects or subtracting. This builds the idea that both measuring and comparing rely on unit size. On Thursday, September 11th, Lesson 7 will be about comparing with different units. The sprint for that day will be subtraction sprints, which gives practice in finding differences quickly. The fluency warm-up, which is shorter, has students identify the shorter of the two given lengths and to write a number sentence with it. The problem set then has tasks where the same object is going to be measured in different units, for example, cubes versus centimeters. And students have to explain why the numbers don't match, but the length is the same. This deepens understanding that unit size does affect the count, but not the actual overall length. On Friday, September 12th, Lesson 8 will be about adding and subtracting with the ruler as a number line. In the sprint, students will do the activity making a meter, which extends the make a 10 idea to 100 centimeters. For example, if I say 70 centimeters, they should respond with 30 centimeters to complete the 1 meter. The problem set includes word problems like using a ruler as a number line, or having a bug hop forward and backward along a ruler, or even comparing their jumps in centimeters. Students learn that the ruler works just like a number line for adding and subtracting, reinforcing both place value and their operation. And so that's the end of week number 4. We'll measure and estimate with tools, compare lengths using different units, and end the week by using rulers like number lines for adding and subtracting. These lessons help students connect measurement to the facts they already know, while also showing why accuracy and unit choice does matter. Thanks for watching this week's Math Bench preview. Let's get ready for another week of great learning, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend.